Guys, it's Rick, the cop car explorer, but today we're gonna be exploring an FBI surveillance van. This is a 1985 Chevy Van 20. It only has 34,000 miles. I picked this up at the government fleet auction. I have paperwork proof that this was an old FBI surveillance van. How freaking cool is that? It's got a few little dings and dents. I wonder if they put those there on purpose to make this car look more official. Under here we have a huge federal signal siren. I'm gonna fully search it, see what kind of goodies I can find. Hopefully I can find that biscuit finally. Let's start from here. This looks real vintage. These are the hubcaps. Vintage looking dash. This car runs like a champ. Turn on switch to start. Oh yeah, this has a toggle switch right here that it won't start unless you push it in a certain way. Some old knife, rusty old knife. Check out this pinhole camera right here. You see that? There's probably hidden microphones here everywhere. Let's take a look at the top. It's got some antennas. Look the inside here. Oh look, looks like there's a little switch here. Who knows what that does? Motorola speaker. That's for the radio. I don't know what this is. Oh crap, I just realized this is a little hidden compartment here. I gotta figure out how to open that. Okay, I gotta come back and figure out how to open that, because you never know, man, there could be a biscuit in there. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, so we are in the inside. There is a door here, goes back to the front. Locks. The little window, probably a one-way window. Computer, random stuff. Some hat. Looks like a, yep. Ugh, the toilet. Refrigerator. Okay, let's start right here. Looks like some secret compartment. Oh nope, it just goes out that way. Fire extinguisher. Open that up, let me see. Yeah, those are like x-rays or something. There's a tape. Let's get this to 10,000 likes and I'll reveal what's on this tape. Okay, some random wiring. That's sealed. Power. I'm sure there's like all kinds of hidden stuff here. Antiseptic. Keyboard. Looks like right here there's probably a periscope here. Could probably open that. A little fax machine. Some vintage camera. Damn. This thing is crazy. Is there a tape in here? Nope. No tape. What is this? Oh, this is an adult diaper. Oh wait, that looks kind of used though. Ugh. Here, put this on. Oh, junkyard boy.
Nah, you put it on. Get some diseases or something.
Yeah, I'm good.
What else you find in here?
Oh man, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff to look at here. Random papers. VCR. Is there a tape in here? Nope.
Heck of old.
Yeah, haven't seen one of those in forever.
I know.
Yeah, you're right. We don't even see DVD players anymore. It's like old photographs. Magnifying glass. More adult diapers.
That was me.
That was. That's gross. Cup holder. McDonald's. I'm scared to even open that. Who knows what's in there?
Stank up in there.
Yeah. Holding my breath. Empty. Antenna wires. Oh look. This. You can see outside.
Peephole.
Close it. Yeah, peephole. OSD control. I don't know what that is. Let's see.
Don't forget, check under the seats. Portable potty.
It's a Johnny on the spot. Johnny on the spot here. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yep. Let's see what's in here. Telephone wires. More windows. Fan, some type of breaker. Let's see. Put some light. Oh, look at this. It's passports. Passports. What the? That's pretty freaking cool. Secret. Looks like a ghetto hole, some hole so you can probably dispose of your bathroom stuff. It looks like a secret compartment right here too.
You find this?
Let me see. What is it?
It's a wanted poster.
Oh yeah, I saw that. There's a secret compartment under the driver's seat.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. See if you can get to it. Hope it's not too dark. I have a feeling there's more hidden compartments here. I gotta fully search this thing. Can't even open that.
I don't see the secret compartment.
Under the driver's seat. This van is cool and creepy at the same time. Now we can spy on the funny man. Park outside his house, see what he's up to.
Finally.
Junkyard boy, I need you to do surveillance on the funny man.
Alright. What do you need?
Look up his location. Find him quick. Guarantee you there's probably hidden microphones, hidden cameras everywhere. You will be seeing more of this van. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but it is a new addition. Free candy, anybody? Free candy?
Free candy out.
No free candy. What you doing in here? Having fun?
Nope. Wanking off to my Pornhub.
I told you we wanking off in here. He got his anal lube in there too, guys.
This is cool and scary at the same time. So yeah, we gotta do some.
This compartment right here.
Yeah.
This little black thing the wires are coming out of.
Right. These windows. I'm gonna completely take it apart. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this car yet. Might turn it into a mobile mechanic. I might just do surveillance on the funny man and the loyalist. So who knows? Stay tuned. All right, let's start this baby up. Oh, hold on. There you go. Look at that. Starts right up. Let's go. Only 34,000 miles. Not even 33,000. You want some candy? You want some candy? Oh, I gotta manually roll this down. Not used to that.